I did a video just a few weeks ago, it was about 3 or 4 videos back, on all the big rigs at the Detroit Area Auto Modeler Show. And I got a lot of questions in that video on where can I get some big rigs, what all big rigs do they offer. Well, we're going to go in this hobby shop and see what all big rigs are offered for sale right now. There's several big rigs to choose from if you can find a well-stocked hobby shop. This hobby shop here is in Louisville, Kentucky. It's Scale Reproductions. They've been around for a long time, and they're well known for carrying a lot of big rigs. I recommend going here if you're ever in the Louisville, Kentucky area and stop by. And you're going to see in this video how many big rigs are offered. And there's a lot of them. Again, if you can find a well-stocked hobby shop, they've got them. I try to promote the hobby shops. Hobby Lobby has some. There's a good kit there, that Titan 90. Oh my gosh, that's a great kit. I'm a Cabover fan. That Alaskan Hauler's a nice kit. But again, try to get to a well-stocked hobby shop or maybe Hobby Lobby, because a lot of guys are asking where can I buy these kits also besides what's out there available. And this video is going to basically show you what's available, and I'll try to point you in a few directions on where to buy them. But that Coors truck right there, I just love it that they've come back with the beer trucks. I remember back in the day when I was building, anything beer and tobacco they got rid of. They thought it was gonna drive kids to drink and smoke. But the Coors truck, again, it's Cabover. Love the Cabovers. There's a nice kit, that Kenworth Aerodyne. Great kit. Great kit. But this selection is unreal. There's a nice kit. If you want to build a nice Cabover that goes together very well, I definitely recommend that one there, that International. It's just row after row of truck kits here at this shop. Those Tyrone Malone kits are starting to dry up, so if you haven't gotten yours, I highly recommend them. Another beer truck, the Miller truck. I've got that kit. I've got to get on it. I started it a while back. I've got to get on it. I've got the trailer to that also. The mixer, I'm glad they came back up with the mixer. That Kenworth mixer is a nice kit. There's a nice dump truck. I highly recommend that Autocar dump truck if you're looking for a nice dump truck kit. Great kit. What's this one? Oh, another International. The AMT Peterbilt. That's a Reeboks Italeri kit. Yep, AMT's got it now. It's the exact same kit as the Italeri kit. And they've got some smaller scale kits here too. So if you're not into the bigger kits, there's some smaller ones. That's a nice little trailer from Revell. I've been thinking about getting that trailer and actually turning it into something else. And there's another cool kit, that 40-foot container trailer kit. I think that's a Reeboks Italeri kit also that AMT has now. Let me know down below if I'm wrong. I think I'm right on that. And there's a kit you don't see too often. I'm glad they came out with that International Paystar 5000 dump truck. Beautiful kit. The dump body on that is just wonderful. And there's a cool kit. If you want a big kit that's different, that Payhall 350 International, look how big that box is. It's gigantic. But I've seen that kit built several times, and it is impressive. Another smaller kit, smaller scale kit, that KISS kit, those are 32nd. When I say smaller scale, those are 32nd. Those big rigs are all 24 or 25 scale. And now we're going to get into some trailers. If you're looking for a nice car hauler trailer, I definitely recommend that car hauler. It builds up very, very nice. And when I say trailers, you ain't going to believe how many trailers that are at this hobby shop. Scale Reproductions does it right. And we're going to get into all of them. There's the Miller trailer I was telling you that I've got also. I've got to get back on my Miller cab and trailer. Watching this video is making me want to get back on that Miller truck. That Watkins trailer right there, nice trailer with a reefer on it. Very, very nice. Very nice. The logging trailer, that builds up very nice. That's a neat kit. And it also comes with that big beam, and I think it comes with the logs. There's a cool trailer, that Ratfink trailer. Wonderful decal sheet. If you're a Ratfink fan, that's a must. Another neat trailer. That was kind of hidden. Notice that. When you go to these hobby shops, make sure you look around. And things are sometimes in different spots. Another cool trailer, that tanker trailer, it's completely chrome. Big flatbed trailer. Some more Millers. That golf trailer, that one is not chrome. So those tankers, they've come out with them chrome and not chrome. There's a nice trailer also. And I think that's a reboxed Italeri. I'm not sure on that one. But that's a very nice trailer. The Coca-Cola trailer. There's a lot of trucks out there, guys, that are available. And if you don't have a well-stocked hobby shop, I don't promote online, but I can only promote online on a company that I've gone through, and that's Model Roundup. Model Roundup has a great website. You can go to them if you can't get to a hobby shop, and support a hobby shop. Another look at some more. Oh, the trash truck. Snowplow. The golf Cabover, and there's a neat, cool wrecker. There's your Italeri kit. That Ford truck is nice. That's a good-looking wrecker truck. And you can take, one thing cool about them wrecker trucks, you can take the wrecker bed and put it on something else. Use a tractor for just a tractor. There's another trailer. It was sitting off in the corner somewhere else. Found that. But when you find a hobby shop, make sure you look around, check some things out. Another great kit, the AMT White Freightliner. Not the easiest kit to put together, but a very, very nice kit once finished. It's a very nice day cab Cabover. And again, you can do a lot with that truck too. But hopefully this gives you an insight on what semi-trucks are out there available right now to purchase. As you can see, there's a lot of them. Whatever you like, it's out there. I want to thank Scale Reproductions for letting me come in and show you guys what semi-kits are available. And we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power. And keep on trucking.